What's up, Purist? It's Bob from Purist Motorsports. Let's take a little journey and look at number 33 and see what we've done to it. A little before and after. Okay, I had this whole detailed description set up for this car and started editing it, and I didn't like it. So what I want to do is just say that when the car arrived, the springs were incorrect, which affected the ride height. They were 494 to 04. So be careful what you buy. Not everybody knows what they're selling as far as Saleen parts go. The other master cylinder was not correct, which caused the brakes to not work. It would not pump up at all. Car was barely safe enough to get off the trailer because it wouldn't stop at all. The other details are center caps, that kind of thing, decals. The store is open. If you like the shirt that you see me wearing, you can buy it. So go check that out at puristmotorsports.com. At this point, we were hoping we could get everybody in for a ride in this car, but as of right now, we can't drive it. There's a few things that have to be done to the motor that we've got to correct. The supercharger oil drain line is not routed properly. It's not draining properly. It's leaking quite a bit. There are a few coolant leaks as well that we need to resolve. So we will take this car for a ride when we get everything safe and sound for both the car and the driver. But as of right now, the transformation is almost complete. We've got a few other details. The small decals we're going to put on after we get it detailed for the final time. Don't want to have someone having to work around the small lettering. It'd be easier to put them on after that. Also, got to get it aligned so that we don't tear up these fabulous Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires. Highly recommend them. They're not correct for the car as far as what came on it, but man, they're an awesome tire. But with that, we've had some transformation under the hood, transformation of decals, and as far as the stance goes, it looks way better. So how about we look at this car in video as opposed to me yakking about it for 10 minutes. So without further ado, here's 93 number 33 and what we've done to it. appreciate everybody who tunes in. I know that there are a lot of you out there that love these cars like I do. It's an honor to be able to work on a car like this. Stay tuned. We've got some big things coming in 2021. It's pretty cool. As always, whether you're driving them or restoring them, always enjoy them. Peace.